These handle grips are gonna look 1,000 times better compared to the ones that are on the bike now, that are gummed up and completely torn apart. And once the new ones are on, the bike will feel and look like it did when it came out on the showroom floor in 1988. So with the sharp blade, I sliced them down the middle and yanked them off like used rubbers before picking up sandpaper and cleaning off the bar. And after the handlebar was finished off, I picked up a spray can and sprayed paint onto the bar, which helps lubricate and create a sticky surface for the new grip. But if you're doing this, be aware that one grip is for the left side and one grip is for the right side. The way to tell is to just look at the diameter of the holes. Obviously, the grip with the bigger hole is for the right side because that's the side the throttle tube is on. But even then, it takes a lot of strength to slide it in because the inside is really tight and grippy. So if you're not careful or if it's not lubricated, you can easily tear it in the process. But after a lot of finesse, this one went on pretty smoothly. So I did the same thing to the other side, and that's where things got messy. I tried from all corners and angles to slide it all the way in, but eventually I figured out it was easier to twist it with one hand and tap it in with the other. And shortly after, it was flush. So I sat on the bike and it did in fact feel like I time traveled back to 1988.